everyone. So here's the recipe to this beef and veggie lo mein, and it's roughly 3 servings. You'll need around 1 pound of thinly cut steaks or steakums like I'm using there, spinach, a red pepper, green onion, riced broccoli, a package of the Shirataki spaghetti noodles, the powder form of stevia, olive oil both in the cooking and the salad dressing, soy sauce, hot sauce, pink salt, garlic powder, ground ginger, garlic cloves, a fry pan with spatula, a strainer, a 1 cupper, a half cupper, a tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, and a half teaspoon. Whew, that was a lot to say. All right, let's cook up our steak in 2 tablespoons of the cooking olive oil on a heat a little higher than medium and add in your steaks. And you see those steaks there? They're the ones that just break up. They're kind of like a steakum. You can also use steakum. Add over heavily pink salt, light pepper, light garlic powder. Once they're cooked on one side, flip them over and they cook pretty fast. And we're going to repeat that process. Add heavily pink salt, light pepper, light garlic powder. And while that's cooking, let's wash up our veggies. Wash your green onion under cold water and then chop it up. Wash your red pepper. And we're going to cut this into 3 rings, pretty thin. You'll see it right there. And then chop that up into pieces. Now let's heat up our rice broccoli in the microwave on 5 to 6 minutes. And while that's heating, let's rinse our shirataki noodles under cold water in a strainer for at least 3 minutes. You want to get your hands in there to really get the smell off. And once that's rinsed well, you can take a kitchen scissors and cut them up just so they're a little bit easier to eat because they're pretty long. Once your meat is cooked and all ready to go, we're going to turn it down to a medium heat and we're going to add over our veggies. Starting with the red peppers and the green onion, add those in and mix it up. Then add 3 cups of the spinach and give that a good mix. Then you want to take 2 garlic cloves, smash it down with a knife, and then chop it up into little tiny pieces. And we're going to throw that into our mixture. Then you're going to give that a good stir as well. Then we're going to open up our cooked rice broccoli, pour the entire bag in, and stir that up. And now let's add over the noodles. Give that a good stir and let it just continue to cook on the medium heat. Let's get the sauce ready. You will need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You'll need a half teaspoon of the stevia powder form, 1 teaspoon of the extra virgin olive oil, a half teaspoon of the ground ginger, a teaspoon of the Crystal's hot sauce, and then give it a good stir. Now remember the measurements I said. We're going to pour this over our mixture, give it a good stir, and turn it on a simmer for about 5 minutes, and then you can serve it up. It made 3 servings. There's 2 servings there, and then I'll show you the fry pan, another serving for me to have for lunch tomorrow. Oh, it was absolutely delicious. This one my husband told me was the best I've ever made. Out of any meal, even before keto, he said this was absolutely delicious. Definitely has that Chinese taste. It was delicious. We loved it. And it's only 6 net carbs for that plate right there. I just can't believe it. I think even your kids would like it if they like Chinese. Now, I will be doing a healthy keto eating show on this on Thursday, so definitely check it out. And with a story time. Everybody stay safe, God bless, and always remember to keep it keto.